close your bracket to the power of 10, find the y ds. Now this is differentiation question, okay? The part of differentiation question that has to do with this is what we call function of a function, okay? Also called chain rule. Let me solve this. Look at it. I have solution. Okay, now I have y equals to s plus 1 to the power of 10. Alright. Now what I will do is this. I will assume any letter of my choice. I will not use s, I will not use y. Okay? Because s and y are already there. Okay? I will assume any letter of my choice to be equal to what I have inside the bracket, which is s plus 1. So let me use z. Okay? Let z equals to s plus 1. Okay? I will have y equals to, in place of s plus 1 now, I'll put z, then there's 10 here, 10. Now, I will differentiate this. Look at it. I will have dy over dz equals to, listen, I will not write dy ds, even though I was asked to find dy ds. What I have here is y, what I have here is z. A lot of students will just write dy ds. It's wrong. It's dy dz. In other words, I'm differentiating y in respect to z. Alright. I will use 10 to multiply z 10 minus 1. Look at it. If you have to differentiate, you use the power to multiply. Then you subtract 1 from the power. The power here is 10. So I will use 10 to multiply everything. Then I will subtract. That one I'm subtracting away is constant. Meaning I must subtract 1. Alright, so let's continue. I'm going to have 10 z. Now this will give me 9. That is 10 minus 1, I will have 9. Okay? I've differentiated this, I have this. Now, I will also differentiate my assumption. Remember, I assume that let z equals to s plus 1. Look at it. I assume z to be equals to s plus 1. I will also differentiate this. Okay? I'm going to have dz over dx equals to, look at it. The letter here is z. The letter here is s. So it's going to be dz in respect to ds. That is, I'm differentiating z in respect to s. Okay? This will give me, the power of s here is 1. I will use 1 to multiply. 1 times s, 1, take 1 away. Okay? Plus, if I differentiate this is 0, I will have dz over dx equals to, this will give me 1 minus 1, that's 0. So s plus 0 is 1. 1 times this one, I will have 1. So meaning if I differentiate this s plus 1, I will have 1. Now what I will do now is this. I will multiply the two differentiation. The first one, which is this. The second one, which is this. Look at it. Look at it. Then I will have dy over dx is now equals to, the first one is dy dz. That is dy over dz times, the second one is dz over dx. Look at it. This dz and dz can cancel. So I will left with dy ds. So let me substitute now. Okay? I'm going to have dy over ds over dx equals to dy dz. Dy dz was 10 z raised to the power 9 times dz ds. Dz ds is 1, so I have 1. Okay, so this will give me, multiply this, I will have 10z9. Okay, that is 10z raised to the power of 9 times 1, I will get 10z9. Alright, my final answer will be, remember I assumed z to be s plus 1. So where I see z, I will substitute s plus 1. So I will have dy over dx equals to 10, open bracket, my z is s plus 1, close the bracket. Okay, to the power of 9. This is my final answer. So if you differentiate s plus 1 to the power of 10, your answer is going to be 10, open bracket, s plus 1 to the power of 9. Thank you. God bless.